To add a collaborator, also referred to as an editor, select the three drop-down dots in the far right-hand side corner and press Add Collaborators. Enter the name into the box. This shows that now Jane can edit the document, and press Send when you're ready. To send your form to the people that need to fill it in, press the Send button in the top right-hand corner. Select this hyperlink here. You can also press this box here, which will actually shorten the URL address. You can then copy this address, which will send it to your clipboard, and then you can put the link into Moodle or send it in an email.